Good morning to all. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will start. In the last lecture, we have started with our unit number 1. Still, as there is some issues with the network in the last lecture, once again I will repeat the whatever the points in the last lecture we have discussed. Then we will proceed to the next point. Okay, I'll share the screen. Just check whether it is visible. Screen is visible. Screen is
Yes, ma'am.
visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. This is the syllabus for unit number 1, codes and simplification technique. Already brief introduction for this we have completed. These are the reference books. About title of the chapter. In this we are going to discuss two different points. First one is the different types of the codes we are going to discuss, and second simplification techniques we are going to discuss. But before the discussion of the simplification techniques, we are going to discuss what do you mean by the principles of combinational logic. What do you mean by the logic function? What do you mean by the variable? That things we are going to discuss. And then two different techniques. Simplification technique we are going to discuss, that is a Carnot map. Short form is a K-map. And another method, that is a Quine-Muck-Kelsey technique, that is a QMC method, that is also used for the minimization of the circuit diagram. Okay. So the title of the chapter is Codes and Simplification Technique. Then central idea, as I told you, in this chapter we are going to discuss two different things, simplification technique and different types of the codes. What is importance? As already in the introduction of the digital technique, I have given the importance of the subject, but now I am explaining what is the importance of the chapter. To understand the digital electronics, we should know which different codes are available. Okay, then we have to study the different types of the codes. Okay, to understand that. Again, as if I have given example related with the hardware, if number of things are available in the hardware, okay, then what will happen? Power dissipation will be more, efficiency will be less. For that purpose, we are supposed to minimize the hardware. So for that purpose, we should know the different types of the simplification techniques. Then for that purpose, we are going to discuss two different types of the simplification technique. That is nothing but the importance of this chapter. Okay. Then, what are the objective and outcomes of this unit? Means from this unit, what kind of things we are going to study? That is nothing but objective. And after study this total unit, what we will understand. So, first objective is to understand the different types of the codes. Then to understand the simplification technique means what, and then we are going to study two different types of the minimization technique like a K-map and the QMC is there. Then what will be the outcome? Once I will explain you what do you mean by the code, you will be able to define what do you mean by the code, what are the different types of codes are available. Okay. Then another, students will be able to use a simplification technique. You can use any different that K-map or the QMC, any simplification technique you can use, and you can able to simplify it for the given logical function or for the any hardware. Means if any hardware is provided for you with respect to the digital, with the help of K-map and the QMC, you can simplify it. Okay, these are the objective or outcomes of this unit. Okay, it's very small chapter. Then what do you mean by the digital? I have given example. Think about any number between 1 and the 15. एखादा number लक्षात ठेवला. Then these are the 15 numbers. Okay, I'm supposed to remember the 15 numbers for that. But what happened in the digital? In a digital, there is a question of only yes or no, 1 and the 0, two things are available only. So I have to remember only 0 and 1. If I will consider the digital, that is nothing but a digital language. Digital मध्ये आपल्याला काय लक्षात ठेवावं लागतं फक्त? We are supposed to remember only 0 or 1. So as I am telling you from the first lecture itself only, our language for the digital is language of 0 and 1. That is called as the digital language. Okay. Then what we have discussed? Binary. Why to use binary? Already we have discussed. Once again I will explain. Information is stored in the computer via voltage levels in the form of 1 and 0 if The voltage is above 2.5, it will be 1. If the voltage is below 2.5, we are considering that is a 0. So if I will consider the analog, if I will consider different types of the voltage level, it will be very difficult to that store data in the computers. So I can store the data in the form of 0 and 1 easily in the computer. So binary is used. Another decimal number system, already I have given example. If I will consider the decimal number system, किती नंबर लक्षात ठेवावे लागतात आपल्याला? At least 10 numbers you are supposed to remember, 0 to 10. But what happened with the digital? With the digital, I will only remember 2 digits, 0 and 1. But from remembering point of view also, binary is easy. Then, this is not feasible with reasonable reliability and the financial constraints. Okay, again digital decimal is there, data storage requirement is more. So, there are some financial constraints with the decimal system. Again, as I told you, in a computer, in a mobile, everywhere now digital word is there. So, we are storing the data in the terms of binary. So, digital is important, binary is important for that. Okay. Then, this is not actually part of your syllabus, but digital ची language आपली काय language आहे तर digital language आहे 1 and 0. So, I am explaining you. Yeah, screen is visible.
Yes.
Shraddha, screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will explain now what do you mean by the bit, nibble, byte and word. Okay. Here it is. Bit means only single digit, 1 on the 0. Then next one is byte. Byte means if I will consider the 8 bits, that is a combination. Okay, that is called as the byte. If I will consider the 4 bits, it will be called as the nibble. Okay. And if I will consider the data bits, number of bits more than the 8, okay, that is nothing but a 16, 32, it is called as the that byte. Okay, sorry, it is called as a word as it is represented in the diagram मध्ये तुम्हाला दाखवलेलं आहे इथं. Okay, let's look at this bit. Okay, 1 bit, byte, 8 number of bits is called as a byte. Then more than the 8, it is called as a word. And if a 4 bits will be there, nibble. तुम्हाला objective ला question विचारू शकतात. How many bits will be there for byte? Then how many bits? 8 bits are. Okay. Once again I have given here. Bit is nothing but what? Bit is nothing but what? Form a shorthanding of the words binary digit. What is a long form of the bit? That is a binary digit. Already I have explained to you. The basic unit of information for the computer. 1 or the 0 are the only values. 2 values are there. Okay. Audible? Am I audible?
No, ma'am. You
Now
are
it
not
is,
audible.
now it is audible?
Voice is ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now it is audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the byte, nothing but 8 bits. Each keyboard character is stored as a byte. This is a very important slide. Okay, byte. Byte is nothing but we are going to consider the 8 bits. Maybe 0, maybe 1. Each keyboard character, whatever the character you are going to press on the keyboard. For example, you are going to press A, B, C, D. Each keyboard is as stored as a 1 byte data, means 8 bits for each key. Just remember this. तुम्हाला objective हा question विचारला जाऊ शकतो. What is example? Already it is example Okay, there is some network issues are there, so problem is there. Yeah. Byte, 8 bits. Each keyboard character is stored as a byte. For example, if I am going to press A, it will show the number of bits. 8 bit it will show. Okay. Then next, this is a very useful diagram. Okay, just look at the diagram. It shows the byte, it shows the bit, it shows the words also. Okay, सगळं दाखवतं त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला in one diagram. It explains bit, it explains byte, it explains the words also. And if I will consider the 4 bits at a time, it is called as a nibble. All of you prepared notebook. Write in your notebook. Okay, 1 bit. If we will consider that is a binary digit. Short form of that binary digit is a bit. Note down. Byte, 8 bits. Okay, note down this everyone. See, note down this. Bit is nothing but a 1 beat. Okay, that is nothing but 1 beat. What is a nibble? Nibble is a 4 bits. If I will consider the 4 bits, it is called as the nibble. Note down everyone in your notebook. If I will consider the 8 number of bits, it is called as the byte. Then if I will consider 16 number of bits, means if I will consider the 2 bytes, it is called as the word. Okay, it is a combination of all the bits. Okay, next, how we are going to consider the bytes and bits. Okay, how does a computer processor understand the bytes? Here it is transistor. You know the concept of transistor in detail. You will understand the basics of transistor in ECAD subject. ECAD मध्ये तुम्हाला सगळं येईल याच्यामध्ये. Okay, transistor on म्हणजे 1, transistor off म्हणजे 0 असतं. Now you, from the digital point of view, you remember only, if I want to store the data, it will consider the number of transistors. It will considers it will consider number of transistors. Trillion, zillion transistors are considered in the computer processor. Okay, and each transistor can store 1 bit data. For example, I want to store 8 bit data, then I am supposed to use 8 transistors for that. Okay. Next, a transistor is a switch on, 1 is there, switch off, 0 is there. Okay. Then A exists a pattern for the 8 transistors,
Ma'am,
because
the
as
screen
it
is not visible.
is not visible. Just a minute. Once again, I'll share.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now check whether it is visible. Now it is visible. Shraddha. Huh. Now screen is visible. Now screen is visible. Shraddha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I don't know why it is happening. Kanchan, Kanchan screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will start. One transistor is used to store the 1 bit data. Transistor on means 1 bit, transistor off means 0. Binary मधला आपला 1 store करायचा, 0 store करायचा. If I want to store the 1, I have to make the transistor on. Okay, 0 switch off the transistor. Okay, then here it is, A exists as a pattern in 8. Okay, you tell me I want to store the data for the E and TC. Okay, how many bits are required? Who will give answer? 4 alphabets are there. Yes, yes.
64.
64. Anyone else? 64.
32.
Yes.
32.
32. Yes. 64. 32. Anyone else wants to try? See, what I told you. 1B, if I want to store one character A. Okay, last slide. Okay, here it is, example is given A. How many bits are required? 8 are required. Now what I want to do? I want to store the word. Which word I want to store? E and T C I want to store. Then how many bits are required? एका E ला किती bits लागणार? 1B, one word, that is alphabet 1E. How many bits required?
8.
8.
मग
8.
4 झाले. 4 कसे झाले? E.
42.
Yeah, yes, very correct. 8 4s are 32 bits are required to store the data. Okay, but 1 bit means 1 transistor. Then 32 bits mean how many transistors are required?
32.
Yes, very correct. We required 32 transistors to store the data. So in the last slide, as I told you, the processor is made up of zillions of transistors. Means if I want to store the data, how many transistors? Zillions means above the billion. That many transistors are there on that chip. And आपण म्हणतो ना मेमरी कार्ड वगैरे आपल्याकडे एवढ्या बिटचा आहे, एवढ्या बाईटचा आहे, माझ्याकडे 1 TB चा आहे, 1 GB चा आहे. That is nothing but that many transistors are available on that processor, on that memory, in that memory card to storing the data. Okay. Hope all of you understand this. Then, as a given example now only, 1 bit, 0 and 1 byte, bit, then 8 bits, 1 byte. Okay, 1 byte. There is a unit for that one is a capital B. 1000 bytes. See, it's very important. आपल्याला कळतच नाही. आपण म्हणतो 1 KB, 1 MB, 1 GB. म्हणजे how many bytes are there? How many bits are there? That is a different thing. Okay, note down this or take a screenshot of this. 1000 byte means 1000 bytes means kilobyte. 1 kilobyte. 1 million bytes is nothing but a 1 mega. MB is a short form. Giga, GB. आपण म्हणतो ना कितीचा आहे मेमरी कार्ड, कितीचे आहे रॅम, असं म्हणतो ना आपण. दॅट इज अ किलोबाईट, मेगाबाईट, GB. पेनड्राईव्ह कितीच आहे माझ्याकडे? माझ्याकडे 16 GB चा पेनड्राईव्ह आहे. 16 GB means 1 billion bytes. Means in terms of bit, I am supposed to multiply it by 8. That many bits चा pen drive आहे. Then terabytes. Generally whatever the hard disks are there. Okay, hard disk जी असती ती terabytes मध्ये असते. Okay, that is a 1 trillion. That is nothing but a terabyte. TB is there. Okay. Then up to this everyone is clear? Any query up to this? Still we are not started with our first point, whatever the course is there. Whatever things we have discussed up till now, all these are the basics which are required to understand the digital techniques. Okay, is there any query for this? Is there any query? Yes, no, give your answer. Then I will proceed with your first point, that is nothing but a course. Yes, Dipti. Okay, Siddhi, any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else from boys side? Anyone? Any query? Vishal, Pragati Babar, Shraddha, Vaishnavi. Any query?
No, ma'am.
Everyone is understood with bit, nibble, bite, and that word. Then your 2 days homework is you are supposed to make as all of you have prepared the notebook. You're supposed to list out the one bit means what, bite, nibble, everything, and this you're supposed to write down in your notebook. Everything. Okay? Am I audible?
Ma'am.
Am I audible,
Yes,
Ankita?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you don't have any query,
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
okay, no problem, Ankita. Then now, if you don't have any query, we will start with our first point. Okay, for this chapter is a codes. At the starting of this only digital technique subject, I have given example of the codes to all of you. Okay, that language of the fur, then digital language, whatever the whichever the language you are going to understand, in that language only I am supposed to speak with you. That is nothing but a code. I have given example of the C, C++, Java. Okay, then I have given example of the Rochi language, Kochi language. Okay, then I have given example of the Kannada also. Okay, what do you mean by the code? Now, I am taking a lecture. Okay, whichever the language is understood by you. For example, Marathi or English, I can use. Can I use Kannada language for speaking, for explaining the digital techniques to you? Yes, no?
No. No.
Yes? Yes,
No,
Vishal.
ma'am.
No, I cannot use. Yes, Vaishnavi. I cannot use a Kannada language because you are not understanding that language. You are understanding English, and some students are there. They are understand because maybe their native is from the Kannada from that Karnataka, so they are. But 99% students are understand the language of English and Marathi only. So I am supposed to take a lecture in English, or sometimes if required to explain, I can use Marathi. ओके दॅट इज नथिंग बट अ कोड. आपण लहानपणापासून मराठीत बोलतो, मराठीमध्ये काय काय शब्द आहेत तो शिकतो. दॅट इज नथिंग बट आय एम अंडरस्टँडिंग द सिंटॅक्स. Okay, same it is applicable for the English also. Okay, in our days we have started our English in a 5th standard only, but nowadays everyone is understanding the English from the childhood itself only. Okay, miss code, what I want to tell you, definition of the code is nothing but it contains some syntax for understanding to the whatever the third person is there or the second person is there. I'm supposed to use the some understandable language, that is nothing but a code. Okay, so for a digital, number of codes are available. Like you have studied some number systems in the first year itself only, that is a binary, then decimal study ke liye, hexadecimal study ke liye, octal study ke liye. Okay, that are also codes, that are also number systems. Whichever the hardware will understand that language, I am supposed to give a inputs in that format. Okay, for example, if I will consider the digital technique मध्ये मी 1 2 3 4 5 असं इनपुट देऊ शकते का? नाही, because digital technique understand or the digital systems understand the language of 1 and 0 only. So I am supposed to give a inputs in terms of 1 and 0. So for that purpose, we are going to study 3 different types of the codes for that digital technique subject, whichever included in your syllabus. So that is the first one is the BCD code. Okay, long form for the BCD is a binary coded decimal. Okay, long form of that one is a binary coded decimal is there. Okay, this one is. तुम्हाला कधी कधी लॉंग फॉर्मला पण विचारतात, व्हॉट इज अ लॉंग फॉर्म ऑफ बीसीडी. ओके, आपल्याला सगळं माहिती असतं पण आपल्या लक्षातच येत नाही बीसीडी म्हणजे काय. That is a binary coded decimal. Okay, that BCD stands for the binary coded decimal. It is called as the 8421 code. What do you mean by the 8421 code? That I will explain in the next slide. Okay, BCD is a weighted code. Okay, what do you mean by the weighted and unweighted? Anyone knows this? Weighted code, non-weighted code. You are having any idea? You are having any idea for weighted code and non-weighted code?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll explain. Okay, I will explain. Weighted code or unweighted code. Before that, I will explain the what I mean by the word meaning of the weighted code. Okay, I'll give example. Okay, we are working in one system or in an office. कुठेतरी आपण काम करतोय. ओके, कुणाचं वेट जास्त असतं? Who is having the higher weightage in a company? If you are working in a company, okay, that peon is there, then employees are there, employer is there. Okay, who is having the higher weightage? Yes, anyone? Anyone?
Employer.
Employer. Yes, very correct. Yes, Om is there. Om. Give answers, everyone. Rohit is there. Pratik. Shivraj. Shubham. Prathamesh. Give answers, everyone.
Head of the company.
Yes, who is the head is having the higher weightage. कशावरनं सांगितलं तुम्ही ते? Based on the position. Okay, just in a company, peon is there, assistant is there, employees are there, employee is there. Okay, everyone is there. But based on the tree, I am saying that who is the owner of that company is having the higher weightage. जो owner असतो त्याला जास्त weightage असतो. Based on what you are saying? Based on the position. Peon is having peon's position. Lab assistant is having assistant's position. Employer is having their own position. Whose position is better? Whose position is having higher weightage? The whichever the owner is there of that company is having the higher weightage. कळतंय? Weightageचं meaning मला इथं सांगायचं which is having the higher power. Same thing is here also. BCD is a weighted code. Each position is having different power. म्हणून त्याला म्हणायचं 8, 4, 2, 1. 1 ची जरा कमी आहे, त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त 2, त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त 4, त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त 8, then 16 is there, 32 is there, like that. So it is called as a binary coded decimal. It is having the only 4 digit. It is called as 8421. ओके, जेव्हा मी तुम्हाला तो चार्ट दाखवेन त्याच्यामध्ये तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. ओके, now only remember in this way, the BCD code is a weighted code, means each position present or the each number present in the BCD is having its own weightage. प्रत्येकाला वेगवेगळं weightage. Okay, as I have given example for the company. Who is having the highest power? Power is for that owner of the company. Maximum power. But whichever work is going to do by the peon or by the assistant cannot do by that owner. Owner ते काम करतो का? पिऊनचं काम ओनर नाही करत. पिऊनचं पिऊन काम करतो. ओनरचे ओनर काम करतो. It's everyone's that whatever the work is there, that is a decree. Based on that, weightage is there. That is a BCD is a weighted code. Okay, then here it is. A BCD number is a 4-bit binary group that represent, what it represent? Just a minute. It represent one of the 10 decimal digits 0 to 9. 0 to 9 च आपण BCD मध्ये कन्सिडर करतो. ओके, किती प्रेझेंट आहेत? डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम मध्ये खूप सारे प्रेझेंट आहेत. डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम स्टार्ट होते 0 पासून एंड होते इन्फिनिटीला. आउट ऑफ दॅट हाऊ मेनी कोड्स वी आर गोइंग टू यूज? वी आर गोइंग टू यूज ओनली 0 to 9. त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त 0 to 9 च वापरायचे आहेत आपल्याला. ओके, दिस कोड इज वन ऑफ द सिम्पलेस्ट कोड. One of the simplest code, and it uses the same power of the 2 as a binary number. Okay, here it is. We are going to use whatever the binary number system is there as it is in the BCD. But in the binary we can use a number above 9 also. But in a BCD we are going to consider only 0 to 9 number. 9च नंबर म्हणजे टोटल सिम्बॉल किती कन्सिडर करायचे? 10, 0 to 9 एवढेच वापरतो आपण BCD मध्ये, त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त वापरत नाही. Binary coded decimal means it is a combination of the binary number system and decimal number system. दोन्हीचं काय येतं? हे कॉम्बिनेशन. एक्झाम्पल दिले तुम्हाला इथं. 1001 is a 9, 1000 is a 8 is equal to plus 0001 is a 1, 1 plus 8 डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम मध्ये आपण 8 अधिक 1 ऍडिशन केले की 9 येतं. त्याच्यामध्ये हा बायनरी नंबर लिहिलाय. नाउ वी विल नॉट अंडरस्टँड दिस. आय विल एक्सप्लेन की आपण तो बायनरी नंबर कसा लिहिलेला आहे तो. बिफोर दॅट लिटिल बिट एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर द बीसीडी वन्स अगेन. Okay, here it is binary coded decimal. That is a BCD number system. Writing number that assigns the 4 binary. 4 bit लिहितो आपण. एका नंबर साठी 4 बिट कन्सिडर करतो. Then 0. Okay, 4 बिट कसे लिहायचे ते मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करते. Just understand it. Listen it carefully. 0. As BCD is a 8421 code. Means what? Here it is. I'll take a pen. हा 0 मी लिहिलेला इथं. 0 चा बीसीडी नंबर काय येणार असतो तर 0 0 0 0. तुम्ही म्हणाल 4 0 का लिहिलेत मॅडमनी? एकच 0 लिहिला तर एकच 0 चालतो ना. दिस 0 रिप्रेझेंट डेसिमल नंबर. दिस रिप्रेझेंट बीसीडी नंबर. बीसीडी नंबर यू आर ऑलवेज सपोज टू राईट इट फॉर 4 बिट्स. प्रत्येक वेळेला 4 बिट मध्येच लिहायचं असतो. Though that many bits are present or absent. लिहिताना 4 बिट मध्येच लिहायचं. Then 1 is there. What is the binary of 1? Anyone? What is the binary of 1? 1 चा बायनरी सांगू शकतं का कोण?
0001.
Yes, very correct. Binary of that 1 is 0 0 0 1. आता हे कशावरनं लिहिला तो एक्सप्लेन करते मी. ओके, लाईक ॲज आय टोल्ड यू बीसीडी कोड इज 8421 कोड. 8421 चा मीनिंग काय? हे जे आहे पहिला रो कॉलम त्याचं पोझिशन काय आहे 1. म्हणजे आपण एक्झाम्पल घेतलं होतं कंपनीमध्ये. हा म्हणायचा काय म्हणायचं बघ, कमी वेटेज असलेला. ओके, वेटेड कोड पिऊन आहे हा. देन व्हॉट एव्हर दिस कॉलम इज हॅव्हिंग वेटेज, having weightage, just a minute, it's having the weightage is of is having 2 weightage. Then this column is having 4 weightage. This column is having 8 weightage. So काय हवं होतं मला? 1 पाहिजे. मग बाकीचे हे बीट कन्सिडर करणार का मी? हे नाही कन्सिडर करणार. मी फक्त काय कन्सिडर करणार? हे 1च कन्सिडर करणार. अंडरस्टँड? देन टेल मी फॉर 2.
0010. 0010.
It's very correct. 0 0 1 0. आता हे कसं लिहिलं? मला फक्त काय हवंय? आय एम इंटरेस्टेड इन 2. मग ह्याच्यामध्ये 2 कुठे आहे? 2 फक्त इथे आहे ना. मला 2 हवंय. मग मी इथं 1 लिहिला. 0 0 1 0. इट्स व्हेरी सिम्पल. आपल्याला फक्त काय करायचंय? कोणता नंबर आहे आणि तो नंबरचं फक्त 1 आणि 0 च्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचं. ओके, देन व्हॉट अबाउट द नेक्स्ट 3? 3 who will explain?
11.
Yes or
0011.
yes, explain me how come 0011? सांगा मला. Who will explain 0011? Why you are considering 0011?
Addition of 2 plus 1.
Yes, very correct, very good. Addition of 2 and 1 is 3. Now what I want? I want 3. But 3 नंबर डायरेक्ट प्रेझेंट आहे का ह्याच्यामध्ये? ह्याच्यामध्ये काय पोझिशन आहे, काय वेटेज आहे? ह्याच्यामध्ये एक तर 1 आहे, ह्याच्यामध्ये 2 आहे, 4 and 8 आहे. Okay, means as I give an example, there is a peon, there is assistant, there is different types of positions are available. Manager is there, CEO is there, MD is there. That is in between somewhere their family members are exist. No, means 3 directly it is a present. 3 directly it is a present. No. So what I am going to do? Yes, very correct. No. So what I am going to do? I will do the addition of this. 2 plus 1 it is 3. So I am supposed to consider these 2 bits. म्हणजे हे 2 घ्यायचे आहेत मला. So what I will do? I will consider 0, 0 and 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1 consider. Who will tell for 7? 7 sum.
0 1 1 1.
0 1 1 1.
Yes, very correct. Very correct. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1.
1 1.
Addition of what? 4 plus
4
2.
1 plus 1.
Very correct. Very good, all of you. Very good. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. As I told you, we are going to consider the BCD numbers from 0 to 9. I am supposed to write down the binary numbers in terms of, don't forget, तुम्हाला ऑब्जेक्टिव्हला क्वेश्चन विचारला जाऊ शकता. BCD, in a BCD, how many bits we are going to consider? We are going to consider always 4 bits. See, in a 7 number also, I don't want this bit ना, 0 लिहायची काही गरज नाहीये मला. But no, this is a representation of the BCD number. You are supposed to consider the 4 bits for a 1 number. घ्यायचंच, लिहायचंच, not required. See here, इथं लिहिलेलं आहे बघा. हे 0 ची गरज आहे का? नाहीये, but still I have written. I am supposed to consider the 4 bits at it. So here it is a table. See this table? Just a minute, I'll erase it. See the table. And what do you mean by the 841? That also I have explained it here. See this? This is visible na table. Note down this table in your note down this table in your notebook. 0 number. 0, 0, 0, 0 is there. Just I'll make it small. Yes. Then again 1s, 2s, 3s. How many numbers we are going to consider for a BCD? We are going to consider the numbers up to the 9 only. So 8421 is up to the 9 over 9 up to. So what is the binary of 9? 1, 0, 0, 1. Why? Because weightage.
8 plus 1.
Yes, very correct. Very good. ह्याचं काय पोझिशन आहे? 8 आहे. ह्याची पोझिशन 1 आहे. 8 plus 1. Yes, very correct. Very correct. 8 plus 1, there is a 9. So here it is 1, 0, 0, 1. आपल्याला एवढेच नंबर कन्सिडर करायचे आहेत बीसीडी मध्ये. बायनरी, कोडेड, डेसिमल. डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम मध्ये 0 to 9 घ्यायचे आणि त्याचा बायनरी घ्यायचा. इट इज कॉल्ड एज 8421 कोड. Every digit is having its own weightage, so it is called as a weighted. Okay. Now I will explain. Decimal number दिलाय तुम्हाला 4926. Write down the 8421 BCD coded number. हे तुम्हाला विचारलं जातं. This is very simple. 4 चा बायनरी लिहायचा, 9 चा लिहायचा, 2 चा लिहायचा आणि 6 चा लिहायचा. कळते का बघा? Addition. Okay, 6 is there. 6 means 1, 2, 4 and 8. 4 plus 2, 6 is there. 1, 2, ह्याचं weightage आहे 4, ह्याचं weightage आहे 8. Then 2 is there. Okay, then 9 is there. 8 plus 1. 4 is there. Yes, 4 is there. Only 4 is there. So 0, 1, 0, 0. Yes. Then now it's your turn. You tell me the answer. Who will tell the answer for this? Screen is visible. I want that convert the decimal number into number 350 into its BCD. Who will tell? Just tell me.
0 0
0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0
0 1 0 1.
First tell me for 3.
0 0 1
0 1
0, 0, 1. Yes, very correct. What about 5?
0
0 1 0 1
0, 1, 0, 1. Very correct. Last 0.
0 0 0
Yes, very correct. Very correct. 0, 0. See here. This is very much important. This 0. what we will consider 0 आहे ना कशाला लिहायचे त्याच्यासाठी 4 zeros, but that is important. Okay, if 0 is before 35, no value, but if the 0 is after 35, it is having the value. So we are supposed to write down the binary number or the BCD number for each and every number. सगळ्या number साठी लिहायचं असतो. Next example. You tell me what is this numbers. मला आता opposite मध्ये पाहिजे आहे. तुम्हाला BCD number दिला त्याचा decimal number पाहिजे आहे मला. Yes, who will tell?
871.
8.
871.
7.
871.
Yes, very correct. I am requesting all of you to give the answer. I think only very less students are giving the answer. Like I can take a name, Vishal, Tanmay is there. Okay, then who is there? Pragati. Then who is there? Ashwin is there. Shraddha is there. These many students are only giving answer. Okay, all of you please take a take a part in that and give an answer. First one is, okay, what is this first? 8 is there. Yes, very correct. Because 1, 2, 4, 8 हे काही प्रेझेंट नाहीये त्याच्यामुळे हे घ्यायचं नाहीये डायरेक्ट 8 is there. The next one is 3 are present. Yes, त्याचं 4 आहे 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 7. Very correct. And last one is 1 is there. So 1. Yes, very correct, Sakshi. Pranoti, everyone please take a part in that. Participate in a question answering session. Okay, then next. Next one is there again. Tell me the BCD number. Just I'll take a name. Oh wait, don't give answer. I'll take a name. I'll take a name. Snehal is there. Snehal Kadam, roll number 10. Snehal Kadam, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Give the answer for this, Snehal. What is the BCD for 3?
3. 0, 0, 1, 1.
0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 1.
Okay, very correct. What is the BCD for 5? 5?
0, 1, 0, 1.
0, 1, 0, 1. Very correct. Very good. What about 0? What about the 0?
0, 0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 0, 0. Very good. Very good. Snehal, mute yourself. Very good. Hope all of you understand this BCD. How to write down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, I will give some examples. Take it down in your notebook. In a chat, I will write down the numbers. First number. I'll give a decimal number. You are supposed to write down the BCD for that. 5674. You are supposed to write down the BCD for this. Okay. Another number 9024. You are supposed to write down. Chat मध्ये दिसतंय का तुम्हाला नंबर लिहिलेत मी 2 BCD 5674.
No, ma'am.
Just a minute. Oh, sorry. Everyone, I'm supposed to. 56. Once again, I'll write 5674. Now it is 9024. Now
Yes.
check. Yes. Okay. You're supposed to write down the BCD numbers for this. Remember, for each digit you're supposed to write down. Yes, very correct. You're supposed to write down the 4 bits. प्रत्येक digitला 4 bit घ्यायचे. BCD is a 4 bit number system. We can say 8421. That is a 4 bit. Another opposite procedure of it. I will give a binary. That म्हणजे binary चा form देणार आहे. You're supposed to write down it in terms of the डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम डेसिमल मध्ये सांगा मला. 0011 स्पेस 1100 1010 स्पेस 1011. What is the array? Just a minute. I have given one binary number also. You're supposed to write down. Yes. You're supposed to write down it in your notebook. First point, it is a BCD number system. One more I will give. One binary number I have written. 0, 1, 1, 1. All 1. All 1 will be not there. All 1 will be not there in the BCD number systems. It will contain only decimals from 0 to 9. 0 to 9 पेक्षा वेगळा नंबर येणार नाही त्यात. Two numbers, two I have given, two examples. Two examples I have given for the BCD to decimal to BCD number system, and two from that BCD to that decimal number opposite. Hope all of you noted this.
Yes.
Okay, complete it in your notebook. Notebook मध्ये लिहायचं हे तुम्ही. See, we will see some advantages now. If all of you are clear with the BCD number system, we'll go for some advantages and disadvantage of the number system. Okay, just within a 5 minutes, we will stop. Okay, here it is, some advantages. It is a fast and efficient system to convert the decimal into binary. Okay, easily we can. किती 9 नंबर तर लक्षात ठेवायचेत ना आपल्याला. So easily we can remember it. It is very easy to encode the data. 1 चा बायनरी 2 चा बायनरी लगेच आपल्याला लिहिता येतो त्याचा BCD नंबर सिस्टम. कारण लक्षात ठेवताना मला काय लक्षात ठेवायचं, फक्त आय एम सपोज टू रिमेंबर ओनली 0 to 9 चा बायनरी लक्षात ठेवायचा मला. ओके, इट्स very simple to implement in hardware because 0 to 9 is there. लिहिताना असतानाच implementation करताना 9च नंबर आहे, so it is easy to remember. It is used in digital voltmeter. Digital voltmeter मध्ये वापरतात, frequency converter मध्ये वापरतात. Wherever we want to see the display the output. मी तुम्हाला दाखवते ह्याच्यामध्ये मी काही animation add केले. I will show that animation also. These are the advantages. What about the disadvantages? We know any system we can show that is a perfect system. कुठली system ही perfect no, so it is having some advantages and some disadvantages. So what is the disadvantage? If I will consider the 8421 code, it is having the number of bits. 15 पण येतं त्याच्यामध्ये, 12 पण येतं, 13 पण येतं, but I cannot use. Though these numbers are present, I am going to use only 0 to 9. म्हणजे 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 I cannot use. So there is a restriction for that. So though the capacity is more, I cannot use it. I am supposed to use only 0 to 9 numbers. Then arithmetic operation using BCD code, it's having the very complex thing. Okay, that whatever the binary addition is very easy, but BCD addition subtraction is somewhat difficult. For the arithmetic operations, we cannot use a BCD number system. Binary is okay for that. Then whatever the arithmetic system operations, as there is a very complex, it takes so much time to do the addition, subtraction. So the processor will be that whatever the speed will be there, for the speed of the operation will be less because of that complex hardware circuit. Okay, then just look at this. See, here it is. All of you, that electronic encoder is there. Whichever decimal input I will give here. For example, if I will write down here 3, decimal to binary encoder, directly it will display the particular number. If 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, based on that, it will display the particular number. This is the use of the BCD. This here it is. As I told you, it is going to consider only 0 to 9 numbers. Okay, हिअर इट इज 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 टेन्स आर देअर. ह्याच्यामध्ये ह्या डेसिमल इनपुट मध्ये मी काय केलेलं आहे, इथं 0 आहे. ओके, ह्या इथं 0 आहे. जस्ट अ मिनिट, आय विल शो. Okay, here it is a 0 is there. If I will press a 0, it will show the 0 0 0 0. If I will press the 1, it will show the 0 0 0 1. Okay, I'll share the PPT with you. Now I am unable to show this to you. Animation नाही दाखवता येते मला. I'll share that PPTs with you. You can check it. इथं 2 आहे. If I will press the 2, what will happen? Automatically decimal to BCD encoder will convert into the 2 and it will show 0 0 1 0. Binary मध्ये डेटा प्रोड्यूस करतात आपल्याला. Sorry, BCD मध्ये प्रोड्यूस करतात. Then here it is a 4, 5 is there, 6 is there, then 7, 8 and 9 is there. Okay, here it is, which is called as electronic encoder. There is a decimal to BCDs. Okay, then what next? Next is the Greek code. This is all about for the whatever the first code we have discussed, that is nothing but a BCD code. Hope all of you understand this. Is there any query for the BCD code? Is there any query for the BCD code? Please give answer, all the students. Is there any query? Is there any query for this?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll mark the attendance. Just a minute. I'll mark the attendance. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is absent. No, 6 is there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is absent. Roll number 13. Then 14 is there. 14 is there. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 absent. 26,
Yes, ma'am.
27. Who is there? Okay, 25 is present. Okay. 26 is present, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 is absent. 40, 41, 42, 43 is absent. 45, 46. Okay, 47 is there. Roll number 47, absent. 48 is present. 49 is absent. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 is there. 56 is absent.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 56 is present. Yes, Vishal is there. 57, 58, 59, 60. 61 is absent. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. I'll call the absent numbers. Just check yourself. Roll number 13 absent. Roll number 24 absent. Roll number 39. Roll number 43. Roll number 47, 49, 61 and 69. Once again, I'll call the numbers 13, 24, 39, 43, 47, 49, 61 and 69. Okay. This is all about for today's class. We will stop here.